Okay, so Smith Sumo squat. On this one, what we're going to be trying to do is target the glutes and hamstrings, but we're going to get the adductors a little bit more into play. So stance-wise for Clara, she's just going to take a fairly wide stance, a lot wider than I'd be able to get my feet, and she's going to externally rotate those feet, effectively turning them out towards the side. Now, as she drops down, we're going to find that the glute's going to sink straight down. Now, as you can see, that amount of knee bend is roughly about 90 degrees, or maybe perhaps just below, which is fine. Come back up. Before she goes down, she's always thinking about keeping this tummy abdominals nice and tight. As she drops down to the bottom, from this position, what she's going to think about doing is clamping those glutes, squeezing like a credit card together, just like you've seen from the other hip flexion squat that we've done, and then dry back up. What you're going to find, again, a lot of tension through those hamstrings. One of the things to remember though, drop back down for me, is that as she fatigues and come back up, what's going to want to happen is those glutes, this lower back's going to want to push back, so we've got to keep everything nice and stable as she then fatigues and then comes back up. So that you have it as your Sumo Smith squat.